So I nearly made a big mistake on this build, and I realized it while I was sitting here looking at the bike, because I started thinking maybe I should finish the entire project first and then share with you a nice big update. Although it feels safer for me, it's not maybe what you guys also want, because then you don't get to experience all the challenges with me. And that's why I decided maybe I should go about in a different way with this bike and share with you live the journey of actually trying to fix it. So I've got a few things that is preventing me from proceeding, because to me it feels like, first of all, I don't know, for instance, if I'm going to be able to fix this engine. Secondly, I don't know if I'm going to make a profit on the bike. And ultimately, even like the channel goal of fixing 5 bikes and then keeping one, I don't know if I'm going to reach that goal ever, because it feels like if I don't make a profit on the bikes and I take a loss, then I don't even know if I'm going to achieve that goal. So it almost feels safer to first go through the motions and then see if I get the result and then share the story with you. But I realized that that is maybe not a true reflection of the actual journey that I'm going through. Because in my real world, I'm not sitting here with all the answers. I don't know how to do a lot of these things. And to say that I'm sharing a story with you about the journey of me trying to fix 5 bikes and see if I can make enough profit to keep one for myself, wouldn't be like an honest, true reflection on that story if I only show you the final result each time. So then I thought, okay, let's just be a bit brave and not fear too much about what you guys are going to think of it. Because I think by now, if I read through the comments, most of you watching the channel realize that I'm not a professional mechanic, or I'm not here to teach anyone how to do this. I'm just sharing the story of me trying. And then another thing that happened was the new owner of Special Edition 2 contacted me. And he bought the bike from the dealer which I sold it to. And then he would now want to meet me in person. And then it turns out he also watched the channel. And then he said, as soon as Special Edition is 3, we should go together for a ride. And so then I realized, but I would love to do that. Only problem is this bike is not running. So that also pushes me a bit to finish this bike much quicker. Because how awesome would it be to meet this person and hear what he thinks about the bike and then ride with him and make a video so I can share that with you as well. Now, to address the elephant in the room, which is not me, this engine. In the previous video, we said, in this video, we'll decide whether I'm going to fix this engine myself or do the smart thing and get someone else just to fix this cylinder head to the engine. Then at least I know that this is done properly and I can go out on a nice ride with Special Edition 2's new owner, or some of you watching the channel, which would be awesome. So my decision is that I'm not going to try and fix this engine myself. But with the new direction in which this channel is now growing, I'm thinking what I can do is I can take a Koki pen like this and then mark the existing position of all the gears and stuff on that cylinder head, so that, and take a number of pictures, so that when I fit this one, at least I've got a fighting chance of putting it in the correct position. Then what I'll do before I start the engine, then you can quickly have a look at that video and you can give me comments so that I can fix that before I actually start the video. So basically, together we can work towards, saving the GS. Now before making this video, I thought, let me have a quick look at the engine. So I sat down and I had a long look at the engine. But then because I've got a bad back, my back started hurting. So I realized that this is not a good thing, because I might have to spend a lot of time while working on this bike sitting on the floor like that. So then I thought, okay, let me get something. So I got this little stool from a app on my phone, and it came and I quickly put it together. And this thing is quite amazing. How nice is this? So the nice thing about this is, if you subscribe, we can meet up. I'm looking forward to this journey. I hope you are also. See you in the next one. Cheers.